Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about top 10 ways to earn money online. So first of all we will search it on Google. Top 10 ways to earn money online. So let's find out what Google says. Here are the few online platforms, websites and tools that can help you to earn money online. At the top one, at the top is freelancing. Everyone, all of us knows freelancing, Fiverr, freelancers.com. Many websites are working for this. Fiverr is a very popular app all around the world. So at number two is starting your own website. You can create your own website, promote your business on your website. You can create a retailer website or any website related to your business. Affiliate marketing, you can promote someone's business. This is a very good and profitable business. In affiliate marketing, I elaborate some about because I am doing affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing actually is promoting someone's business on your social platform, like on Facebook, on WhatsApp. Like I am working for MetaFX Global. MetaFX Global is a broker which works around in 57 countries in the world. So I put status on my WhatsApp about MetaFX, and people reach out and asked me what is MetaFX. This is affiliate marketing. And at number four is surveys, searches and reviews. You can get, this is like freelancing. I think it comes under freelancing.com. And number five is virtual assistantship. I don't know much about it, so we will not further go into this. Language translating, like some you go in Saudi Arabia but you don't know Arabic language and you have to do your business in Saudi Arabia, so you have to hire a translator. So this is also a business, good job, but we are searching online businesses, online earning ways of earnings. So this also works online, like you are doing a meeting on Zoom. You are doing a meeting with an Arabic person, and your native language is English, so you have a translator, so you have to arrange a translator. This is a short your work. You don't need 24 hours to do this job. Only you have to be expert in both Arabic and English languages, and just need 15 to 20 minutes or 30 minutes or time of meeting. And social media management strategy. So this is a very vast businesses. All the businesses come in this social media management. Like you are a freelancer, you are promoting your business on the Fiverr or freelancer.com, as well as you can promote your business on social media, on your social media accounts, on Facebook, on WhatsApp. So these are all are similar, so we will go deep further into these. What does it saying? So it's saying login first, website is, so continue, confirm. Earning money has typically been associated with and restricted to traditional offline route. Before 2020, online business was not much popular, but as the corona started, everyone started his business online, and it got much search volume and rank as you cannot expect. So with the internet taking over a large part of your lives, more people are looking to ways to earn money online to increase their financial inflows with secondary income streams. So you should be mindful of platforms that you choose. While there are numerous ways to earn money online, some of these might be fake. Also, do not expect to earn a huge amount quickly when using online and avenues to earn money online. With the situation involving more time at home and or more free time in general, maybe fewer working hours for some of might have some free time on hands. Here are few online platform websites and tools that you that can help you to earn money online. I add further youtube.com is a very top ranked online business. You just need 1 or 2 hours daily to make a video, and in a week you can make only few videos like 2 or 3, but you have to be regular. And if your content is good, you are skillful, you are best at your work, you can earn $1 billion. And people are using tricks to earn money from YouTube. So that's a short time, but you have to be pure and consistent. So freelancing, we will read further about freelancing. Freelancing has always been a popular way to earn money, and the internet has several options. There are several websites offering freelance tasks for people with very varying skills. All you need to do is to create an account, browse through the listening and applying for the tasks that suits you. Some websites may even require you to create a personal listening with the details of your skill set to that interest. Clients can contact you directly. Outfitter.com, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, Workshop.com are the some websites that provide freelance jobs. You can earn anywhere between $5 to $100 through these websites. So the blogger mentioned these websites. You can promote your work on these websites. You can go and search. I think freelancer.com and fiverr.com are the top ranked, and people are earning millions on in these websites. So starting your own business, affiliate marketing, they come at lower level, but affiliate marketing is a very big business. Virtual assistantship, we'll read something about it. Doing all the corporate stuff from one's home is what a virtual assistant. Virtual assistant is like you are teaching it from home, you are doing tasks from home. So this also come in Fiverr. So go and search about these businesses.